अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, आई होप आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने लगा हूँ कि कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस एंड ऑफन only need to execute a few lines to perform a task. An advanced command line interface user would be able to get something done faster. A Chagade and a keyboard to navigate and control your operating system for many tasks is going to be much slower in this case. A command line interface enables users to easily script a sequence of commands to perform a task and execute a perform program. Although a GUI enables a user to create shortcuts, tasks, or other similar actions to complete a task or run a program, it does not even come close in comparison to what is available through a command lines. आगे बताऊं। अच्छा, पर्पस ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? एट द स्मॉलेस्ट लेवल दीज आर टू बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. It manage the hardware and software resources of the system. These resources include the processor, memory, disk space, etc. It provides a stable, constant way of the applications to deal with the hardware without having to know all the details of hardware. Started to use Windows operating system. अच्छा, विंडो GUI ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस इसे कहते हैं। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डिवेल्प्ड बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉरपोरेशंस. इट इज widely used to business, education institutions and research organizations. The first successful series of Windows was Windows 3.x series. Windows 3. Was not an operating system, it was rather an operating environment providing a GUI graphical user interface that runs on top of DOS documents operating system, replacing the commands line interface with the point and click system. In 1995, Microsoft released Windows 95, a complete operating system for personal computers. Windows 98 was the improved version of Windows 95 from Microsoft, released in 1998. Meanwhile, Microsoft contracted on importing network features in Windows, so the company released Windows NT, new technology with extensive networking features. Since then, all recent versions of Windows 2 and 2000 Server and Professional Windows XP are based on NT new technology. अच्छा, इसके बाद आगे चलते हैं। ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? विंडोज़ कंसिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स ऑफ ग्राफिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स विद एक्ट एज द इंटरफेस बिटवीन यूज़र and the computer. It controls the overall working of the computer system, manages system resources, and provides a multitasking environment for the user perform more than and one task simultaneously. The following are the basic components of the Windows operating system. Desktop होता है the on screen work area on which Windows icon menus and dialog boxes appear is called desktop. The desktop is actually the internal point in Windows. The first object that you see on starting Windows is the desktop screen. It contains icons, images for working with different applications that you need to interact with a regular basis. My computer on Windows desktop, you will see and captions my computer while installing Windows. You divide the hard disk into the multiply party sections. Each one is referred as to as a drive. When you double click my computer icon, is show your drive on your system इंक्लूडिंग फ्लॉपी डिस्क। सो अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दें ताकि इस तरह की और वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। मिलते हैं हम आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।